Abdali Grammar School, Primary Mathematics, Lesson 4, Roman Numerals, Chapter number 1, Lecture number 10, 69 Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore. Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. Today our topic is Roman numerals. Student, in Roman numerals, alphabets used in Roman numerals. Some alphabets used in Roman numerals. Let me discuss it first. I is equals to 1. Our first alphabet is I. I is equals to 1. I is equals to 1. Our second alphabet is V. V is equals to 5. V is equals to 5. Our third alphabet is X. X is equals to 10. X is equals to 10. Our fourth alphabet is L. L is equals to 50. L is equals to 50. Our fifth alphabet is C. Our fifth alphabet is C. C is equals to 100. C is equals to 100. Students, we use these 5 alphabets in Roman numerals. I, V, X, L, C. We use 5 alphabets I, V, L, X, C. Now student, let's start to write the Roman numerals from 1 to 8. Let's start to write Roman numerals 1 to 8. I is equals to 1. I is equals to 1. I is equals to 2. I is equals to 2. I is equals to 3. I is equals to 3. V is equals to 5. V is equals to 5. Students, V is 5, so I before V is 1 less than 5. V is 5, so I before V is 1 less than 5. 1 less than 5 means 4. When we less 1 in 5, we get 4. V is equals to 4. VI is equals to 6. VI is equals to 6. VII is equals to 7. VII is equals to 7. VII is equals to 8. VII is equals to 8. Now student, let's start to learn to write the Roman numerals for 9 and 10. Write the Roman numerals for 9 and 10. Learn these two Roman numerals. Student, 10 is equals to X. 10 is equals to X. 10 is equals to X. X represent 10. X is 10, so I before X is 1 less than 10. X is 10, so I before X is 1 less than 10. When we less 1 in 10, we get 9. I before X is equals to 9. I before X is equals to 9. Ix is equals to 9. Ix is equals to 9. And X is equals to 10. Ix is equals to 9. Now students, let's start to write our other Roman numerals. Write the Roman numerals from 11 to 19. Let's start to write numerals from 11 to 19. From 11 to 19, We add I after x. We add I after x. 11 is equals to xi. X is equals to x is 10 and I is 1. 11 is equals to xi. 12 is equals to xii. 12 is equals to xii. X is 10, I is 2. 13 is equals to xii. 13 is equals to xii. X is 10, I is 3. 14 is equals to xiv. xiv. X is 10, IV is 4. 15 is equals to xv. xv. X is 10, V is 5. 16 is equals to XVI. X is 10, VI is 6. 17 is equals to XVI. X is 10, VI is 7. 17 is equals to XVI. 18 is equals to XVI. 18 is equals to XVI. X is 10 and VII is 8. 19 is equals to XIX. 19 is equals to XIX. X is 10 and IX is 9. Now student, let's write our Roman numerals. For number 200, make use of other letters. The Roman numerals for numbers 200 make use of other letters. 20 is equals to XX. 30 is equals to XXX. 3x. X is 10, L is 50. So X before L is 10 less than 50. X before L is 10 less than 50. X before L is 10 less than 50, that is 40. 40 is equals to XL. 40 is equals to XL. 50 is equals to L. 50 represent L. 60 is equals to LX. 60 is equals to LX. L is 50, X is 10. 70 is equals to LXX. LXX. L is 50, XX is 20. L is 50, XX 20. 80 represent LXXX. L is 50, XXX is 30. X is 10, C is 100. So X before C is 10 less than 100. X before C is 10 less than 100. We less 10 in 100. We get 90, that is XC. 90 is equals to XC. 90 is equals to X. Remember it, students. Now student, let's start to solve our question. Question number 1 is, the Gregorian calendar is named after Pope Gregory XIII. What number does XII represent? Tell me student, what number does XII represent? Yes, students. X represent 10 and 3, I represent 3. I represent 13. When we add 10 with 3, we get 13. I represent 13. Let's solve our second question. What number does these represent? Our part A is XIV. XIV is equals to 14. X is 10 and IV is equals to 4. X is equals to 10 and IV is equals to 4. We combinedly write it 14. Our part B is XXV. XXV is equals to 25. XXV is equals to 25. X is equals to 20 and V is equals to 5. We add 20 with 5, we get 25. Our part C is LX. LX is equals to 60, L is equals to 50 and X is equals to 10. L is equals to 50 and X is equals to 10. When we add 50 with 10, we get 60. Our part D is XCI. XCI is equals to 91. XC is equals to 90. XC is equals to 90 and I is equals to 1. When we add 90 with 1, we get 91. Now student, let's start to solve our third question. Our third question is, write the Roman numerals for this number. Write the Roman numerals for this number. Our part A number is 19. Student, 10 is equals to X and 9 is equals to IX. 10 is equals to X and 9 is equals to IX. We split 90 into two parts, 10 and 9. XIX is equals to 19. Student, let's solve our part B, that is 43. We split 43 into two parts, 40 and 3. 40 is equals to XL, 40 is equals to XL and 3 is equals to III. 40 is equals to XL and 3 is equals to III. We write 43 as XLIII. We write 43 as XLIII. Now solve our part C. We write 75 in Roman numerals. 50 is equals to L, 20 is equals to X, 5 is equals to V. We split this 75 into 3 parts, 50, 20 and 5. We write it as LXXV. We write it as LXXV. Now student, let's solve our last part, D part, 99. We split 99 into two parts, 90 and 9. 90 represent XC and 9 represent IX. We write it as XCIX. XCIX. Thanks for watching.